Hi, thank you for joining me. It's Annie here again. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Michael Kors Lenny Espadrille. So here it is. So there we have it. The top is made of linen, and you have natural fibers for the sole and the interior. And you've got the Michael Kors there on top of leather, and the logo there. I love that it has a beautiful rubber bottom. So typically when I buy my shoes, many times when it's a heel or sneakers also, my typical size is 6.5. Once in a while I have to downsize by half depending on what type of flat it is. So I had to do that for this espadrille as well. I actually got a typical 6.5 that I wear, and I had to return it and pick up the 6. So you might want to watch out for that because it's very, very roomy on the interior. I do have other espadrilles that I have bought a 6.5, but I'm just letting you know that that you might need to downsize by half for this one. So very pleased. It does have a little bit of weight to it. It's not super light, but not enough to cause any problems at all. So there we have. Casual but very polished and finished look.